Welcome to Patco Construction LLC Handyman Services. We are located in Venice, Florida, servicing Sarasota, Charlotte, Manatee, Hardee, and DeSoto counties. At Patco Construction LLC, we specialize in residential handyman services and exterior remodeling projects. All work is completed by our highly trained professionals. We are committed to your satisfaction from the first call to the completion of your project. Our company is a certified women-owned and operated business, with a focus on quality craftsmanship and superior customer service. Fully licensed, bonded and insured. Call us today at 941-800-8923 for a free project evaluation and estimate. Our handyman services includes gutter and downspout installation, minor plumbing repairs, painting and ceiling fan installations. Also, wood and tile flooring installations, roof repair, lawn maintenance and power washing. Thank you for considering Patco Construction for your handyman service needs. We greatly appreciate your interest in our services. To schedule an appointment and discuss how we can assist you with your projects, please call us at 941-800-8923 or visit our website contact page at www.patcoconst.com, and our team will promptly get in touch to arrange a convenient time for a consultation. We look forward to working with you and addressing your home improvement needs with our expertise and dedication.